In this video, we will look at how you navigate through a recording on Playback in the Note Talker app. When you press the play button shown here, the audio recording plays back in the app. As the audio plays, the bookmarks that you have made will scroll up on the screen, indicating where you are in the recording. To fast forward to the next bookmark, you can press this symbol near the top of the app screen. The recording will move on to the next bookmark in the sequence, and the audio plays from this point. To go back to the previous bookmark and that point in the recording, press this button. To move directly to the end bookmark and the final part of the recording, press this button. If you wish to return to the beginning of the recording, click on this button. The other way of navigating through the recording is to select one of the bookmarks itself. Choose which bookmark you wish to listen to, and click on this symbol on the left-hand side of the bookmark. This will then play the recording back from this bookmark.